So good day everyone. Today we're talking about case for solving oblique spherical triangle. First is, what is spherical triangle? Spherical triangle is a branch of spherical geometry which deals with triangles drawn on a sphere. Properties of spherical triangles. First, the sum of the sides of spherical triangle is less than 390 degrees. Second, the sum of the spherical triangles is greater than 180 degrees and less than 540 degrees. 3. If two angles of spherical triangles are equal, the opposite sides are equal. Fourth of the properties is, if one angle of spherical triangle is greater than another, the side opposite the greater angle is greater than the sides opposite the less angle, and conversely. Fifth is, the sides and angles of a spherical triangle are respectively the supplements of the angles and sides of the polar triangle. Next is, the following are the formulas in solving the right spherical triangle. First is R1, sin A is equal to sin C sin A. R2 is sin B is equal to sin C and sin B. R3 is sin A tangent A is equal to sin B tangent A. R4 is tangent B is equal to sin A tangent B. R5 is tangent A is equal to tangent C cosine B. 6 is tangent B is equal to tangent C cosine A. 7, cosine C is equal to cosine A cosine B. 8 is cosine C is equal to cotangent A and tangent A cotangent B. 9 is cosine A is equal to cosine A sine B. And lastly, 10 is cosine B is equal to cosine B sine A. Napier's rule. First is, the sine of the angles is equal to the product of cosines of the opposite two angles. Second, the sine of the angle is equal to the product of tangent of the two adjacent angles. So, example. Given the hypotenuse C and either angle A and B. So, example is, solve the spherical triangle ABC right angle at C. Given C is equals to 86 degrees and 50 minutes, and B is equals to 58 degrees and 30 minutes. To find A, use rule 8. So the rule 8 is cosine C is equals to cotangent A cotangent B. So we have cotangent A is equals to cosine A over cotangent B. So we have tangent A cotangent B is over cosine C is equals to 1. So we have 1 over cosine C tangent B is equals to 1. So our C is 86 degree and 50 minutes, and our tangent our B is 58 degree and 30 minutes. So we have A is equals to tangent to the power of -1 times 1 over cosine 86 degree and 50 minutes times tangent 58 degree and 30 minutes. So use calculator to solve this. So the answer is 84 degree and 50 minutes and 56 seconds. Next is to find A. So we need to use R5. Tangent A is equal to tangent C times cosine B. So we have tangent A is equals to cosine B, tangent C out, so equals to cosine. So our B is 58 degree and 30 minutes tangent, and our C is 86 degree and 50 minutes. So that is, we need to convert it. So A is equals to tangent to the power of -1 times cosine 58 degree and 30 minutes, tangent is 86 degree and 50 minutes. So our A is equals to 83 degree, 57 minutes and 21 seconds. So next is to find B, use R2. So you have sine B is equals to sine C times sine B. So we need to substitute C and B. So our sine is equals to 86 degree and 50 minutes. Sine is 58 degree and 30 minutes. So B, so if we need to find B, so B is equals to sine to the power of -1 times sine 86 degree 50 minutes times sine 58 degree and 58 degree 30 minutes. So our B is equals to 58 degree 21 minutes and 27 seconds. So that's all for the case 4.